Okay, so this is a particular exercise or project. What you can say, this is very simple. Data flow from source to target database, which we will be using Python code. And while submitting the, exercise, you have to submit through a Git link. Okay, I'll be just showing what is Git and all. If you do not have any, experience on top of Git. So if you have Git account, it's fine. I hope there will be no issue. You just have to create a public branch over there and public repository, and you need to put the code, and you can share me the code. Share me the particular Git link. I'll be checking the code. That is fine. Otherwise, I'll be taking a Git class maybe tomorrow. I need, some more people's availability who joined from the beginning. They're not joining from last day onwards. Maybe Irfan, Mustafa. Uh, okay. So let me just go through the exercise. What to do. So it's a similar kind of stuff, whatever we have done in SQL. So this is a data set. Okay, let me open the data set. In the data set, we have three different sheet. One is for customer ID, customer name, purchase date, product ID, outlet code. Okay, we have outlet related information over here, product related informations over here. So you can see, there are link between each of the table. In customer table, we have two foreign keys, that is product ID and outlet code, and each of the foreign key is the primary key of the next sheet. Just like outlet code is the primary key in outlet data, and in product ID is the primary key in product data. So what we have to do, there are three Excel sheets over here. We need to create data frame based on each of the three subject areas. Okay, so create three data frames to import these three data set. This should be our first job. Okay, then we need to do some transformation operation. What kind of transformation operation I will not be telling. You just need to do that thing. It's the same thing whatever we have done. You can take reference for the previous classes. You need to create a final data frame which should be containing only these four column: customer name, purchase date, outlet branch name, product name. Okay, you have to create the final data frame having only these four column. This is very simple transformation actually. I keep it very simple. Next time, maybe it should be a bit complex. So this final data frame, you need to load it in a table. The table should be residing in Snowflake database. Okay. With a truncated load strategy. So the new thing we'll be learning, I'll be showing how to create a Snowflake account. Snowflake is one kind of database. We learned MySQL. For MySQL, we have installed MySQL in our systems and all. For Snowflake, no need to install at your side. It's a portal-based database. So we can open a Snowflake account over here. Everyone can open this thing. Just search with Snowflake account. Start for free. Okay. Put your all details over here. Okay. Any company's email, any company's name, role. Then put continue button. In the next page, when the next page will be coming, then put some, maybe they will be asking what should be the backend hosted cloud database server. It can be Azure, it can be AWS, it can be Google Cloud, any of them. Choose any one of them. Choose AWS, no issue. I used AWS in one of my trial account. And submit the particular form, and a particular activation link should be coming to your mail ID. Okay. So by this activation, just you need to, I mean, even the password, password will be provided to your mail ID itself. Mail ID should be your account name. Sorry, the username. Okay. And the password should be provided to your mail as well. So, the further instruction should be provided to you by mail. So after getting this thing, what should be your account ID and all, everything should be provided there. And what particular link you need to log in to access Snowflake, that should be also provided in the mail ID. If any one of you just go through the same thing at your side, just you can present your screen. I can, guide you how to do that thing. Currently, any one of you just want to go ahead, creation of a Snowflake account. Tarun, Shiva, anyone? Okay, try
Yeah, I will
this.
create it.
No, sir.
I will create it in my laptop.
Okay, you will be creating in. Just create that thing, and I hope. Yeah, if there is any difficulty, please let me know. If you want to do it right now, then I can. You can share your screen. I can guide you. Okay, any one thing you can just go ahead. So create those things, and it should be. When your portal is ready, your Snowflake database is up. There is some role kind of setup. You need to set up some role warehouse and all. A bit different, just like MySQL. I'll be telling as soon as you logged into the Snowflake. I'll be telling what are the differences and all. Okay. So this is one thing. After the creation of the Snowflake accounts, one more thing I will be suggesting. So while loading the final data frame into table in Snowflake table, we learned the same kind of thing in our Python. When we are doing the hands-on part, we just write a particular data frame to a particular database by using data frame dot to SQL, this kind of command. Okay. Over here, the same command should be there. There'll be no issue. But over there, we have also used our SQL Alchemy libraries to put data or to set up the connection engine. The similar kind of stuffs should be there as well. Let me just open PyCharm. Only the changes should be, where should be the changes? I'll be just telling you. Okay, over here, we are doing the SQL Alchemy for the connection engine and all for MySQL database. Similarly, we have to change this thing as Snowflake. We can use different libraries as well. There are different libraries for Snowflake and Python connectivity, but we can use the same library. There will be no issue. SQL Alchemy Create Engine, it's fine for every database. So just pass Snowflake over here and all whatever password and username should be there. Just pass all the information over here. Okay. I'll be suggesting don't use any password or I hope password resetting power should be within your hand. Okay. So while you'll be resetting the password as of now, don't put any at the rate. Okay. The at the rate, if you put at the rate is as one of the symbol in the password, it should be a bit tough to declare the connection string over here because at the rate is a delimiter between over here at the rate is a delimiter between password and the server name, host name. Okay. Um, we can also do that thing by putting code, double quotes and all. There'll be no issue. But I'll be suggesting as of now, refrain from using at the rate while doing the password creation. So the thing should be service account colon password at the rate the server name colon port slash database name. There should be a bit different in Snowflake. You also need to put role name as well. But I'll be telling you just take help from some web. The functionality is same, but to connect a Snowflake database engine, it should be a bit different in syntax. Try this thing at your site. Okay. And the other kind of stuffs, you need to put this thing in a table. The other kind of stuffs is almost similar, whatever we have learned for the database MySQL. Okay. So try this thing at your site and try to solve this exercise by Monday. So Monday class, I mean, in Monday's class, we'll be checking this thing. Right, tomorrow, if anyone is having any doubt for Git, I'll be taking some class on top of Git. Okay. And please try to open the Snowflake account at your side. If you face any difficulty for Snowflake account creation, let's connect tomorrow with solving this kind of stuffs. Okay. Is that fine for everyone?
What would be the company email and company name?
Company is mail. I mean, that is not mandatory.
Okay,
You
will
can
it
put your
accept without that?
you can put your Gmail IDs as well. There'll be no issue.
Oh, okay, cool.
Okay, company's name you can put anything, or you can mention this consultancy tetra as well. There'll be no issue. But the mail IDs, I mean, whatever mail ID you'll be putting, they'll be giving you all the details. Okay. So just the onboarding stuffs of Snowflake. But it should be trial. It is for trial purpose. No need to use for this because it is chargeable. After 30 days, if you want to use it, I mean, they will be asking, I mean, they'll be pop up that whether you want to convert this thing from trial to your, I mean, official kind of Snowflake. No need to do that thing. As of now, trial is fine. We can do all the stuffs by trial account only. Okay. Any doubts so far from anyone? Okay, I'm sharing this particular exercise by mail. Not by mail, by in the WhatsApp group itself. Okay, it's very simple. After that, after you solve that one, after that we'll be learning absurd. During the business intelligence chapters, I told what.
So we have to select a standard or enterprise level.
Yeah, standard only. Enterprise level, it's not
Okay.
required. Okay. Uh, anyone need my guidance or it's fine? I'll be just putting those questions after solving this. I'll be giving some more data set to have a absurd data load strategy to how we can perform the absurd data load from source. Will be taking incremental data set. Okay. And at the target while loading, we can go ahead with absurd. This should be our next target, maybe Tuesday or Wednesday. Please solve it quickly. I mean, by Monday, we have enough time to solve it. Yeah. 29th, you can check this particular thing. And if there is any step point, we'll be trying to solve the same thing in class as well. But please try this thing. Whatever you can do, just try it. It's not very tough. It's very simple actually. 3 steps are there. So first step is for ETL extract. We are extracting the data from the source system. Second thing, transform. We are doing some transformation. It's very basic transformation. And the third one, we need to load the final data frame into a database. Loading E extract, T for transform, L for load. Very simple thing is there. So just try to perform this at your site. Okay. Okay, I'll not be continuing much more thing over here. Just create the Snowflake account. After that, tomorrow I'll be showing, the Snowflake account about the role setup and all. And whoever does not have any Git concept, I'll be just showing the Git concept as well. Okay, so that you can solve the exercise and put the code in your Git repository. Okay, any questions? No questions so far? Okay. Yeah, see, we were telling something, or it's fine.
No, sir, no.
Oh, okay, it's fine. Okay, then try to solve it. It's very simple. After that, after solving this thing, we can go ahead with some, a bit complex part. Okay. Okay, then I'm not going to continue much more things because most of the students not join. I'll be asking the thing. I'll be posting the questions and I'll be asking them to join tomorrow. And if there is any concern or anything related to exercise, we can discuss the same thing in tomorrow's session along with the Git knowledge. Okay. Thanks everyone. Thank you. Bye bye. Let's connect tomorrow.
Yeah. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.
Yes, sir. Signed up. Thank you.
Sri Charan, I just found you joined. So over there, we just discussed with the exercise over here. I'm going to share the same exercise in a WhatsApp group, and a new thing we just learned, we need to create a database, Snowflake. We need to create an account for Snowflake. So this is the particular target. Please try to create the thing in Snowflake.
Yeah. Okay, sure.
Okay. I'm just posting all the question in WhatsApp group, and if there is any problem with the exercise understanding and all, then we can connect again in tomorrow's session.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you.